Hello. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା questions example number 16 will be given. Solve the equation by the matrix method. Solve the equation by the matrix method. An equation will be given 2x plus 2y equal to 3 and 3x plus y equal to 4. So that first of all you can express in the process like as step 1 कौन थिला ax equal to b, ax equal to b, that is a with the coefficient matrix, and that the equation will be given 2 by 2 order due to two equations. The system equation is 2, it is into x matrix and b will be 3 4, and the coefficient of xy is 1 3 and 2 1. The system of linear equations. First of all, we can find out the determinant values of A matrix. So procedure कौन ना ax equal to b and x equal to a inverse into b. So that first step पूरा हम find out करिबा a inverse. So a inverse exist means determinant of a not equal to 0 and the values of find out the a inverse will be adjoint a by determinant of कौन है नहीं कौन adjoint a by determinant of a. So that first of all we can find out the what is the determinant values of a matrix. That is mandapeta. That is determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1 2 3 1. बुझे ना. So that is 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. बुझे ना. So that determinant of A not equal to 0. The not equal to 0 means A inverse will be or exist. The A inverse exist means you can find out the first of all adjoint A by determinant of A. You can find out the determinant of A equal to minus 5. Then adjoint of A is 2 by 2 order से कौन निकला principal diagonal element from element changes with 1 1 and sign will be changes of diagonal element minus 2 minus 3. बुझे ना. That is 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. That is the adjoint of A matrix. Adjoint of A matrix कौन कहूतली मु तो दी था 2 by 2 ऑर्डर रे देखो a with 2 by 2 a b and c d. हम कौन करिबा प्रोसीजर टू फाइंड द एडजॉइंट ऑफ a, that is we can interchanges the principal diagonal elements. That is principal diagonal elements के अछि a of d. So a d कौन इज interchanges है, that is d a and of diagonal जहाँ थिबे के अछि b c. The कौन है sign can be changes, that is minus b minus. बुझेला. This is the procedure to find out the adjoint A. बुझेला of 2 by 2 determinants or 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix का कौन होगा पूरे determinant of matrix. बुझेला. So that this is the adjoint of A. Now A inverse is our adjoint A by determinant of A. And the adjoint A is our 1 minus 2 minus 3 1, but determinant of A is our minus 5. बुझेला है कि नहीं. So that 1 by 5 can be multiplied with 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. So that 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 can be multiplied each and every elements of the matrix. So that 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 2 minus plus 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. बुझे लगे नहीं कितना बार चाहिए हमारो ना minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 2 by 5 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This is our A inverse. पहले A inverse के पहचान लेके जाओगे minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5. And x is our x con. How to find the values of x? The x is the variable of xy, and x is our a inverse into b. So what is the a inverse? A inverse is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5 into b. What is b? B is our 3, 4. Bujala 3 into 4. So this is the matrix of order 2 by 2. This is the order of this matrix is 2 by 1. So the matrix multiplication is our possible. Due to the first matrix columns number is equal to second matrix rows numbers. So that matrix multiplication is our possible. So that we can multiply row into columns. And this can be written in 1 minus 3 by 5 plus 2 into 4, 8 by 5. Sorry, first row का. Second row will be 3 into 3, 9 by 5 minus 4 by 5. So that this can be 5 by 5. It is 1. Also this will be 5 by 5. This can be also 5 by 5. It is also 1. So that x is our column matrix of xy equal to, this is the a inverse into b is equal to 1 into 1. So that the values of x is 1 into y is 1. This is the procedure to find the system of linear equation, but solve the system of linear equation by the matrix methods, or check the consistency and inconsistency. The consistent and inconsistency by the help of matrix methods. देखो फर्स्ट स्टेप रे कौन करले आउथरे को देखो क्वेश्चन विल बी गिवन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन बाय द मैट्रिक्स मेथड और गिवन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन बाय क्रैमर्स रूल थिले क्रैमर्स रूल ले सॉल्व करियो तो थाय मैट्रिक्स मेथड तान मैट्रिक्स मेथड से सॉल्व करियो so that question will be given x plus 2y equal to 3 and 3x plus y equal to 4. So that step 1 ax equal to b मन रखिबो ax equal to b. So that a is our coefficient matrix and x is our variable matrix, that is column matrix, and b is our right hand side of the system of linear equation, that is 3, 4. Now step 2 रे कोन करिबा. First of all we can find out the what is the determinant values of coefficient matrix on must be the coefficient of matrix will be non singular. That is determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0. That is coefficient matrix not determinant value is not equal to 0. So that we can find out the determinant of a, that is 1, 2 and 3, 1. That is 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3 into 2, that is minus 6. So the determinant of a is our minus 5 बुझाला. First कौन करिबो find out करिबा कोन like determinant values of coefficient matrix. Then these determinant values must be our not equal to 0. Then the a inverse is our exists. So that now we can find out the a inverse. A inverse to find out, so by the help of adjoint a by determinant of a. So that adjoint a is our 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. By the procedure to find adjoint a, that is we can in 2 by 2 determinants or 2 by 2 matrix, sorry determinant matrix ले कौन करिबा. We can interchange the principal diagonal elements. Interchange कौन करिबा ना principal diagonal elements ram interchange करिबा and off diagonal elements रे कौन करिबा minus sign multiply करिबा. बुझियाला पहला कौन पाइला ने 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. बुझियाला एबे a inverse is our adjoint a by determinant of a. The adjoint a means 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. Adjoint a केते होछि ना 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. Then by determinant of a, that is minus 5, and a inverse is our minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Procedure कौन थिला minus 1 by 5 को multiply करो 1 minus 2 minus 1, तो minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5, that is 2 by 5 minus into minus plus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by देखा दूसरी क्या निकला minus 1 by 5 अच्छा minus 1 by 5 into minus और minus plus into 3 by 5 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5 this is the adjoint by determinant adjoint A by determinant A that is A inverse. So that A inverse is our point by 1 minus 1 by 5 2 by 5 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now x we can find out the values of x and how to find the values of x. The procedure to find out the values of x that is x equal to A inverse into B. मन रखियो x find out करियो कौन first procedure कौन A x equal to B and x equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into B. अच्छा A inverse तो पाई into B means right hand side का values कितना अच्छी 3 4 तो 3 4 multiply करागला अगर multiply will be possible the first matrix number of columns is equal to second matrix number of rows so that this is the order of 2 by 2 matrix and this is the matrix of order 2 by 1 so that our first matrix row columns number is equal to second matrix of rows number so that matrix multiplication is our possible and matrix multiplication will be matrix multiplication will be multiplied now rows into columns you can multiply rows into columns माने अच्छी कि नहीं row into columns so दीटा row अच्छी गोटे column अच्छी the row can be multiplied with the columns respective element with respective element that is 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into 3 plus automatically second element 2 by 5 to second element 4 2 by 5 into 4 that is minus 3 by 5 plus 8 by 5 and secondly the second row will be multiplied with the columns respective element with respective element that is first with first plus second with seconds so that first 3 by 5 into 3 and by 5 plus automatically minus 1 by 5 into 4 minus 4 by 5 बुझियाला तो कितने पाइले 1 1 पाइले so that our x I is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 बुझियाला this is the procedure of solve the system of linear equation by the help of matrix methods. Now we have to check another problems of order 3 by 3 variables problems 2 by 2 है easy बुझियाला 3 by 3 है कौन होगा co-factor find out करियो and co-factor transfers to technique करियो most important question must be आशिवा compulsory 6 marks matrix determinant to 20 mark question must be done देखो हेलो now x minus y question number 6 पेज हमर गिवन अछि solve the consistency and solvability solve the following question by the matrix methods so x minus y plus z equal to 4 and second is our 2x plus y minus z minus 3z 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0 and x plus y plus z equal to 2. The question will be given system of linear equation of three variables. Three variables are x, y, z and solve the equations by matrix method or question will be given. Check the or solve the alternative solve. But check the consistency and inconsistency by matrix method. बुझला मैट्रिक्स मेथड कौन करियो कंसिस्टेंसी एंड इनकंसिस्टेंसी को चेक करियो द क्वेश्चन कौन देछि x - y + z = 4 2x + y - 3z = 0 and x + y + z = 0 the system of linear equations रो मैट्रिक्स प्रोसेस कौन होछि ना ax = b कौन रहला ax = b so that a is our coefficient matrix and coefficient matrix of x, y and z, that is coefficient of x is 1 2 1 and coefficient of y is -1 1 1 and the coefficient of z is 1 -3 1 बुझला into x is our what type of matrix variable matrix x y z you can write down in column matrix so that another b matrix is our 4 0 2 बुझला अच्छा ax = b फॉर्मेट में फाइंड आउट कर ले अच्छा अब फाइंड आउट करबा को ना x मैट्रिक्स को फाइंड आउट करबा कौन करबा ना x मैट्रिक्स को फाइंड आउट करबा प्रोसीजर कौन ना x = a inverse into b so that we can first of all find out the a inverse and a inverse means can be now adjoint a by determinant of बुझला adjoint a by determinant of a so that first of all we can find out what is the determinant values of coefficient matrix that is determinant of a is equal to determinants of 1 - 1 1 2 1 -3 and 1 1 1 so lengthy method तो step by step होउची मैं omit भी करि मैं step हम करियो you can expanding along the first row so that 1 into you can delete in the first row and first column then rest element is bar remaining element is 1 -3 1 1 then minus of minus plus 1 so that deleting the first row and second column it is 2 -3 1 1 and third is our 1 into deleting the first row and third column 2 1 1 1 बुझला now we can find out all that is determinants 1 into it is 1 minus of minus plus 3 plus 1 into 2 minus of minus 3 and plus 1 into 2 minus 1 that is 3 plus 1 4 into 1 4 plus 2 into 1 into 5 that is 5 plus 1 that is 10 so that determinant value not equal to 0 determinant of a not equal to 0 बुझला अच्छा then you can find out the a inverse को करियो adjoint a first find out करबा adjoint a तो आप find out करियो adjoint a that is a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33 बुझले नहीं अच्छा a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 इसको कौन ना adjoint a रो एलिमेंट्स इन adjoint a के बात ना कोफैक्टर a रो ट्रांसपोज adjoint a कौन पूछी adjoint a होची बुझवा बात से ना कोफैक्टर a रो ट्रांसपोज so that first of all we can find out the cofactor that is C11 C11 find out the procedure कौन ना -1 to the power 1 means कौन Cij मन अछि नै Cij देखो त पूछी Cij equal to -1 to the power I plus j into Mij हो कि नहीं yes or not each and every element हम कौन फाइंड आउट करबा ना कोफैक्टर that is Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. This is a procedure to find out the cofactor matrix. So that first of all we can find out the C11. C11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2 into M11. अच्छा M11 फाइंड आउट करबे केमती देखो एठी लिखि दो ए मैट्रिक्स केते अछि 11 होछि कोन फर्स्ट कॉलम को नेग्लेक्टिंग करबा देन रेस्ट एलिमेंट इज 1 into 1 minus of minus 3, that is 4. So that C11 is 4 बुझियाला C11 is केते 4 C12 1 2 प्रत्येक एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट करबो C11 C12 C13 C21 C22 C23 C31 C32 C33 बुझियाला C12 कोन करबा ना फर्स्ट रो सेकंड रो नेगेटिव करबा इधर -1 to the power 1 plus 2 बुझियाला अच्छा नेगेटिव करबा कुछ एलिमेंट्स which columns and which row, the first row and second column. So that 2 into 1 2 minus of minus plus 3 2 देखिए जाओ पहले 2 minus 3 1 1 लाइन चला था कौन कर लेना 2 C12 होची first row second row, that is rest element is our 2 minus 3 1 1 बुझियाला so that it is minus 1 into minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. So that is 2 minus of minus plus 3 which is 5. So 2 plus 3 5 into minus 1 minus 5 which is minus 5. Similarly C13 which is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into determinant कारण first relating with your first row third column in 2 1 1 1 so that is minus 1 to the power 4, that is 1 and then 2 minus or minus 1 plus 1 then you can find out the C21 C22 C23 2 1 space you can deleting the second row first column that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into determinant values of 1 minus 1 1 1 so that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, so minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 C22 which is the second row second column को 1 1 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 1 1 that is the count 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 0, so that is 0 C23 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 स्प्लिट करियो खाता रे गुटे गुटे कोच स्क्वायर रे minus 1 to the 2 plus 3 and neglecting करियो कोन सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम that element 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 so that 2 plus 3 minus 1 to the 2 plus 3 is 5, so minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1, so the minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2 minus plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2 into minus 1 minus 2 बुझियाला similarly you can find out the C31 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 determinant of 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 3, so So that minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 into, that is minus of minus 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the term is 2. Then 332. C32 is built in the third row, second column. Third row, second column. Rest element is 1, 1, 2 minus 3. 1, 1, 2 minus 3. And that is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5. अच्छा, minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1 into our value of minus 1 into ये तो कुछ minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. अच्छा, minus 5 into minus 1, 5. चला. Then C3 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, relating the 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 1 1. बुझिया. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6. Minus 1 to the power 6 is 1 into 1 minus, ये तो 1 minus plus 1, that is 2. बुझिया. ताले आमेरो देखो एबे कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स को सजाड़िबा. देखो खातारे गोटे प्रैक्टिस करिवो कोफैक्टर कोन, एडजॉइंट कोन, ए इनवर्स कोन हला. प्रैक्टिस न कल जानि परिबो. केन कोन आसीबो हमर सी आई जे मैट्रिक्स कोन होची C11 C12 C13 सजा दो. 4 minus 5 1, 4 minus 5 1, 2 0 minus 2, 2 0 minus 2. And third one is our minus 2 5 2, minus 2 5 2. And adjoint bar A matrix, adjoint केते पाइबा ADJ A, transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix means you can transpose the row into columns or columns into row. So that 4 minus 5 1, 4 minus 5 1, 2 0 minus 2, 2 0 minus 2, and minus 2 5 2. बुझे एडजॉइंट ए पाइले. अच्छा, ए इनवर्स फाइंड आउट करबा. अच्छा, ए इनवर्स केते भाई करबे एडजॉइंट ए बाय डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए. तो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए केते 10 हां कि नहीं. अच्छा देखो असा करी रखि दे तो खातारे करबा कोन अछि. देखो ताले ए इनवर्स इज आवर एडजॉइंट ए बाय डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए. अच्छा, एडजॉइंट ए हां कि नहीं. एडजॉइंट ए केते अछि ना 4 2 minus 2, 4 2 minus 2 minus 5 0 5, minus 5 0 5, 1 minus 2 2 by determinant of y. determinant of y केते अछि 10. बुझेला नहीं ताले कोन हो ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट को 10 टा को डिवाइड कर दबा. 4 by 10 देखो 4 by 10, 2 by 10, minus 2 by 10, 5 by minus 5 by 10, 0 by 10, 5 by 10, 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, 2 by 10. हाँ कि नहीं. अच्छा, ये कौन होची ये होची ए इनवर्स. कौन होला ए इनवर्स. ताले ए इनवर्स पाइबो ना केते पाइले ना 4 by 10, 2 by 10, minus 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 0 by 10, 0 by 10 is 5 by 10, 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, 2 by 10. तो तुम्हें लिखि पारिबो या को लिख पारिबो कोन 1 by 2 by 5 लिख दबो 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 लिख दे. Then x is our by x matrix is our a inverse into b. अच्छा, a inverse के पाइजे ना it is 4/10, 2/10, -2/10, -5/10, 0, 5/10, 1/10, 2/10, -2/10, 2/10 into B matrix. अच्छा B के co-factor of right hand side, that is co-factor of right hand side is 402. 402. अच्छा देखो मैं कौन करिवो ताको मल्टीप्लाई करिवो रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट विथ रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट तो मल्टीप्लाई करिवो देन कौन पाइबो ना x ର वैल्यू y ର वैल्यू z ର केमती मल्टीप्लाई करिवो देखो कहि दूची तो निजे सॉल्व करो 2/2 जमती जो 3/3 सेम देखो रो इनटू कॉलम्स फर्स्ट रो इनटू कॉलम फर्स्ट रो इने कौन दी मल्टीप्लाई करना रेस्पेक्टिव एलिमेंट विथ रेस्पेक्टिव 4/10 into 4 that is 16/, automatically plus 2/10 into 0 plus 0 into something 0 plus automatically plus अच्छी ये अच्छी कहते हैं ना माइनस चलो -4/10 बुझिया 16/10 -4/10 अब सॉल्व करिए नेक्स्ट -5/10 into 4 -20/10 बुझिया 0 okay sorry हाँ 0 into 0 plus so 5/10 into 2 10/10 बुझिया थर्ड वन अच्छी 1/10 into 4/10 plus 2/10 -2/10 into 0 plus minus 2/10 into 2 that is 4/10 को ऐड करिवो सॉल्व कर परिवो तो सॉल्व करले कोन पाइ जबा x अच्छा x मैट्रिक्स का की x y z तो कंपैरिजन कलर कोन मेथड करबा दिस x y z equal to this matrix that is solve कर पाइबो जाओ बुझियाला this is the values of x y z and this process is known as matrix method बुझियाला बुझियाला देखो बस डर को मन रखो देखो